Now let's talk about tinnitus or tinnitus and deafness, and let's welcome Ma'am Lane. First question, can you tell us the etiology in Chinese medicine for tinnitus and deafness?
Um, w- One of the etiologies DCM are exterior wind hit, sudden onset of severe tinnitus or deafness accompanied by exterior signs and symptoms. And liver fire, sudden tinnitus with a loud sound aggravated by anger.
Mm,
Turbid phlegm, it is accompanied by dizziness and vertigo, stifling sensation in the chest. Uh, Qi deficiency, gradual onset of tinnitus with a low volume,
mhm.
relieved by arrest and aggravated by exertion.
Okay.
Um, a kidney essence deficiency, uh, gradual onset of constant low-pitch tinnitus, resembling running water that is worse in the evening, accompanied by soreness and weakness of the lower back and knees.
Okay, in your practice, Ma'am Lane, which etiology do you usually encounter?
Kidney essence deficiency po, yung karamihan
Matanda.
may soreness lower back. Tsaka po
And
yung masasakit po yung mga tuhod.
very good. What are the symptoms for tinnitus and deafness due to wind heat?
Ang mga symptoms niya po is aversion to wind, fever, headache, general body ache, and sore throat.
Okay. What is the tongue and pulse picture for tinnitus and deafness due to wind heat?
Ang tank niya po is thin white coating. Ang pulse is floating and rapid, tsaka wiry and rapid din po.
Are you sure about the coating? Remember, this is wind heat.
Ay, okay po. Wind hit po pala yellow, thin yellow coat po pala.
Okay. Sige lang. Number four, what will be your treatment principle for tinnitus and deafness due to wind heat?
Disperse wind and clear heat.
Okay. What are the symptoms for tinnitus and deafness secondary to liver fire?
Symptoms niya po is headache, red face and eyes, may bitter taste in the mouth, insomnia, high-pitched tinnitus, dark scanty urine, fever, hypochondriac, distending pain in the hypochondriac region, and constipation, irritability.
Irritability.
Apo.
Okay. Have you encountered ganitong case?
Meron po, marami po kasi mainitin ang ulo. Mga,
Okay. Ano naman ang like tongue and pulse picture for liver fire, tinnitus, and deafness?
red tank with yellow coat and pulse niya is rapid and wiry.
Okay. So usually emotions, no? Next, what will be the treatment principle for tinnitus and deafness due to liver fire?
The treatment principles is clear liver heat and purge fire. Clear heat from liver and gallbladder.
Okay. What are the signs and symptoms for tinnitus and deafness due to kidney essence deficiency? In other words, hindi na bata.
Tidal fever, malar flash, tinnitus or hearing loss, nocturnal emission, five centers heat, low back, weekend and soreness, dizziness, insomnia, poor memory.
Okay. What about the tongue and pulse picture for kidney essence?
Red tank with the scanty coating, and the pulse is thin and rapid, at ready and weak.
Okay, what would be the treatment principle for
Nourish,
patients that are elderly na may
nourish
kidney
the
essence?
kidney, nourish the kidney, benefit kidney in, regulate the lower jaw, regulates the Ren and Chong vessels.
Okay. Do you think you did well? What score will you give yourself?
Uh, Hindi po nagkakalayo sa average ni Angelita.
Okay. Congratulations, Ma'am Lalaine.
Thank you, Doc.